just come sometime.
Oh, okay.
Drop.
I know. Oh.
Don't worry, brother. Don't worry. No, take a picture.
I turned around. And
I
just,
think I got that on video.
You got that?
I think I got that.
That's amazing.
Okay.
I think so. Blue monkey.
I have to say I've never had a monkey jump on my back before. Such a pretty thing. What do you think of the monkey? Is this male or
Did you do a
female?
video? That's a
Male?
female.
I've got
Sorry,
video.
that's a female.
That's a female?
You don't understand English, that's why.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so sorry for that.
Oh,
No,
nice.
that's fine.
The one I showed you is the male.
Mm.
Oh, okay. Are they're partners? They're
Yeah.
mates?
Different-
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, do you want to go next?
The hands.
Yeah.
Look at their hands.
Oh, hi.
He just comes right over.
Yeah. Can't blame him.
Pull up a little bit.
There we go. Oh my goodness. Look at that background too behind him.
Yeah.
Oh my word. What a great scenario.
Hi, look at your cute little ears. Hi.
Is that one?
Oh.
Wow. You want to do that?
Here, the video's going.
Yeah.
Get off my hat.
Oh, yeah, he's going to jump for you, Tiffany.
Carrot?
Yeah, carrot.
You're a natural.
Yeah.
I love monkeys. I think they are so cool. You're very cool. What's this one's name?
Anna.
Anna.
Happy?